So I'm back here at the Den building area on Llwyn Isaf for Playday 2017, and this is the Ventures area. Jodie is busy colouring the grass. Yes, that's correct, colouring the grass. We are very innovative here at the Venture. We've got lots of dens that have sprung up since I last came here. This one here, it says beware, keep out, lethal inside. But however lethal, you have to take your shoes off. Cleanliness first. And we've got another one here. It's been built around one of the trees. It's got quite a few mirror strips. I'm going to assume that that's for something technical like solar lighting. Have a look inside. I think these were built to keep us out of the rain. However, the rain has stayed off and it is now glorious sunshine. There's Bronson, the manager, doing the rounds, making sure everything's okay. Yeah. Oh, what have we got? You want to tell me what it is? A base. A base for what? A base for space. Looking good. There you go. So it's all going on here at the Den building area on Llwyn Isaf with the Venture. We're here till 4 o'clock, so you've got a good hour to come down and join in, and we'd love to see you. Enjoy Playday.